Welcome to Gemini Notebook. NotebookLM has undergone a massive upgrade, shifting how it processes your information from scattered text into organized intelligence. This comparison highlights the core shift. The old version on the left was built to read and summarize text. The updated interface on the right actively processes raw data and generates complete, usable files. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to upload your messy, unstructured data, trigger the background cloud computer to analyze it, and automatically generate a fully formatted, editable presentation. And if you are a returning user, your existing work is safe. All of your past NotebookLM projects automatically sync directly to this new dashboard. Let's start from the main dashboard. To set up a blank workspace, click the New Notebook button in the top right corner. This is your primary workspace, divided into 3 main zones. Panel 1 on the left is where your source documents live. The central area, marked 2, is your chat box. Panel 3 on the right is the studio, housing your final generated outputs. Your first step is getting information into the system. Click the plus icon in the Sources panel to open the Upload menu. You can pull in standard documents or select the CSV/Excel option to manually import raw spreadsheets. You can also start without any pre-existing files. In the Sources box, simply type a broad research topic, like Impact of Artificial Intelligence on Modern Supply Chains, and hit Search. The platform generates a list of relevant web articles. Review the results and use the plus button next to any link to add that specific article directly into your library. While you work, make sure to pin that left sidebar. Keeping your source list visible makes it easy to verify the reference documents. Giving you direct control over which CSVs and web articles enter the vault serves a specific purpose. It ensures the AI calculates its answers using only the trusted information you have explicitly approved. Now that your data is loaded, let's put it to work. In the main chat box, type a complex request. For example, asking it to analyze your sales data and locate the top-performing regions. Notice this running code indicator on the screen. This means the system is currently writing and executing its own custom code in the background to process your specific prompt. Behind the scenes, a secure cloud computer spins up, feeding raw data into a Python environment where algorithms find mathematical patterns. This isolated environment calculates strictly from your rows, preventing outside data or AI hallucinations from contaminating final numbers. You can verify this accuracy yourself. Hover over any numbered citation in the generated response, and a pop-up will display the exact source quote and the specific document it was pulled from. Combining isolated background processing with verifiable line-by-line citations turns the platform into a secure analytical engine. Let's turn that analysis into something you can present. Navigate to the top right and click the Studio button. This menu shows the variety of output formats available. From a single set of source documents, you can simultaneously generate a PDF, a structured spreadsheet, or a Markdown file. Click the slide deck format. Once the generation is complete, click the prompt to download the PPTX file directly to your hard drive. You don't always need a full presentation. If you only want a specific visual, hover your cursor over any chart block in the central chat and click the download icon to save it locally as a PNG image. If you navigate to the Saved Outputs tab, you will see a catalog of your work. The system automatically saves every script, chart, and deck you generate, so you never lose your progress. Finally, to secure your entire workspace, click the Export menu in the top right. Selecting Save to Drive syncs your outputs to your cloud storage. These fully structured assets remain accessible across your devices and integrate directly into your standard professional workflow. This final view demonstrates the complete workflow. Your chosen sources are secured on the left. The analytical code and data visualizations sit in the center, and your ready-to-use business documents populate the studio on the right. Because the system is strictly bounded by the files you explicitly uploaded, every slide, chart, and summary it creates is grounded entirely in your facts. Open a new project today, upload a recent report, and test the studio by generating a study guide or an executive summary for your team. Gemini Notebook handles the tedious data synthesis and formatting. This leaves you free to focus on reviewing the insights and driving the high-level strategy.